Hello everybody, it's me, Roxy. Welcome to vlog number 12. And today I'm showing you some kinds of things you don't know. You know, they're new, and this year, have you recognized one of these? They spin. Well, and here it is. This is called a fidget spinner. Fidget spinners are the coolest. I love one of these, it's so cool. It's so amazing it can spin. And watch this trick you're gonna see. Ooh, did you see it? It's spinning with holding the thumb. Wow. I have another one that's a red. Here's how you do. Ooh my god, did you see that? Wow. Isn't it cool? Fidget spinners are cool. They just like you spin, keep spinning a lot. Keep spinning and keeps like holding your thumb. Wow, it still keep going. And there's some kind of neat tricks that you can do something with the fidget spinners. Let's tell you. I didn't unpack this, but I'm gonna shape one of these. Here's the pink. It's my favorite color. With these fidget spinners? Well, one of these fidget spinners you can do. I'm going to show you. Watch this neat trick. Like, I'm going to hold this up to my nose. Whoa! I think I need a bit more practice. Hold on, wait a minute. Whoa, it still keep going. Wow, I can't believe it still keep going. Okay, see that? It's cool, awesome. That's a kind of bit of neat practice. Now, here's oops, hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. Now, here's what I'm going to show you about this fidget spinner. I'm going to remove this. Watch this what I'm going to do with this pen. Push this pen. Oh, it's like holding a pinwheel. You cannot blow it. You hold it, it's like holding a pinwheel. Isn't it cool? How can you do this trick when it's like you're holding a pinwheel? Wow. So, that's how you do with these fidget spinners that you can do. Fidget spinners, you could. So, hope you like this video. Make sure to click thumbs up and subscribe. I hope to see you soon about this, because pretty soon, I don't know what day, I should make some kinds of new. But you'll see it soon. So goodbye everybody. I hope you join when you do your fidget spinner you can trick. Yeah? See you next time on the next video. Bye.